Hello, today I have for you a wonderful experiment, hot ice. This experiment can be repeated by anyone. We need the vinegar and baking soda. Mix 1 kg of vinegar, 978 grams of baking soda and 200 grams of water. We can observe how carbon dioxide is released. A few hours later we got the sodium acetate trihydrate. We need to melt the sodium acetate trihydrate in a pan. We have obtained a clear liquid. I put the solution in a bucket of cold water and cover with the lid. Even a small crystal of sodium acetate is able to start the crystallization process in the cooled solution. The crystallization process takes place with the release of high heat. The crystallization process is really amazing. If you like this experiment, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you!